Today we'll learn how to create responsive Boolean operation on a button so that you can use in a design system. First create a button using a text and right click on the text, add for auto layout. Later that give a corner radius divided by the height, then fill with the color. Here it's a responsive because it's center aligned, and with the give a padding of top and left and right, and in between it's 10 of any components, and make a component for the button and rename it as button. Then I will pull the icon SVG into the button and make the color change or both icon and text. Later that select the icon and right click on the layer panel and text icon with the true. Now your responsive button with the Boolean operation for the icons is done. I will go for assets panel and drag the assets components that we have created. Okay, here the frame is less. I will increase the frame output size so that you can view easily. Okay, here you can check. Here we can icon with icon, without icon, with response you can check. Yeah, it's changing, right? Yeah.